We'll guide you through how to create titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page, which you can find at the bottom center of the interface. Once you're there, look on the left side for the effects library. Click on it to open up the options. You'll see a selection of effects, and in there, there's a section called Titles. Click on Titles to reveal all the different options available for creating text. You'll find basic titles like Text and Text Plus, as well as more advanced options like Fusion titles. Let's start with a basic text title. Drag the text option from the effects library directly to your timeline above the video track, where you want the title to appear. Once it's placed, you can click on the title clip in the timeline to select it. Then go to the inspector panel on the top right of the screen. Here, you can type in your desired text, adjust the font, size, and color to fit your video's style. You can also add shadows or change the position by dragging the on-screen controls. If you want something more dynamic, try using a Fusion title. Drag it onto the timeline just like the basic title, but now you'll have more animation options available in the inspector panel. You can adjust these to make your title really stand out. Remember, you can always preview your titles by playing them directly from the timeline to ensure they look just right. By customizing these elements, you can enhance the visual appeal of your video significantly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.